The truth about overthinking. You're trapped inside your mind. Thoughts keep circling, repeating, analyzing, and creating problems that don't even exist. Does this sound like you? Do you find yourself stuck, unable to make decisions, worrying about things that might never happen? Overthinking is not harmless. It is stealing your time, your happiness, and your ability to enjoy the present moment. But here's the good news. You can stop overthinking. And in the next 50 minutes, I will show you why we overthink, how it controls us, and, most importantly, how to break free forever. Why do we overthink? Topics covered: the psychology behind overthinking, how your brain tricks you into believing your thoughts are reality, the fear loop, how anxiety fuels overthinking. Before we fix overthinking, we need to understand it. Overthinking isn't just a bad habit. It's a survival mechanism. Your brain is wired to protect you from danger, even when no real threat exists. The fear loop. Why your mind won't stop thinking. Imagine this. You send a message to a friend, and they don't reply for hours. Instantly, your brain starts overanalyzing. Did I say something wrong? Are they mad at me? Maybe they don't like me anymore. This is called the fear loop. Your brain searches for problems even when there aren't any. But the truth is, 90% of the time, the problem exists only in your mind. You are reacting to thoughts, not reality. How overthinking controls your life. Topics covered: the paralysis by analysis effect, why you can't make decisions, how overthinking affects your relationships and career, the negative thought spiral. One small worry becomes a massive problem. Overthinking isn't just frustrating, it's dangerous. It can cost you opportunities, relationships, and happiness. Example: the job you never applied for. Let's say you see your dream job online, but instead of applying, you think, what if I'm not good enough? What if they reject me? So you do nothing. That's how overthinking robs you of success. So how do we escape this mental trap? The answer is simpler than you think. How to stop overthinking. The 3-step formula. The 3-step system to break free from overthinking. 1. The is it useful test, filtering unnecessary thoughts. 2. The 5-second rule, overcoming hesitation instantly. 3. The action habit, training your brain to stop analyzing and start doing. Step 1. The is it useful test. Next time you catch yourself overthinking, ask, is this thought helpful or harmful? If the thought is useful, planning your goals, take action. If the thought is useless, worrying about the past, let it go. Pro tip: 90% of your worries are not real problems. They are just mental noise. Step 2. The 5-second rule. Your brain needs only 5 seconds to kill an idea. That's why you hesitate and overthink. But if you act within those 5 seconds, your brain has no time to stop you. Example: thinking about going to the gym? Count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and move. Don't give your mind time to resist. Step 3. The action habit. Overthinkers plan. Action takers succeed. The only way to break overthinking is to train your brain to act. Want to start a business? Make the first call today. Nervous about a conversation? Speak before you overthink it. Afraid of failure? Try, learn, and move forward. Building a clear and focused mindset. Topics covered: the brain declutter exercise, clearing your mental clutter, the power of meditation and mindfulness, how to train your brain to stay in the present moment. Your brain is like a cluttered room. The more thoughts you pile in, the harder it is to focus. Let's clean up that mess. The brain declutter exercise. Take a notebook and write down every thought in your head. When you see your thoughts on paper, they lose their power over you. Challenge. Try this for 5 minutes every day and see how light your mind feels. Your 7-day challenge, rewire your brain. A 1-week challenge to stop overthinking. Day 1. Identify your biggest overthinking triggers. Day 2. Use the "Is it useful?" test for every thought. Day 3. Apply the 5-second rule to take action faster. Day 4. Meditate for 5 minutes to train your focus. Day 5. Write down 3 small decisions and make them instantly. Day 6. Reduce screen time and avoid negative information. Day 7. Reflect on your progress. Notice how much lighter your mind feels. Your mind should be a tool, not a prison. The only question is, will you take control today? Comment below, what's the one thing you overthink the most, and what will you do about it today? Like, share, and subscribe if you're ready to break free from overthinking.